This sandbox is really fantastic. The canopy can be lowered to its lowest setting to keep all the debris out, as well as rain and water. It can be raised all the way up. The screws on each side tighten it, and the canopy is fully adjustable, so you could adjust it to the right and to the left.
Okay.
This sandbox also comes with 2 side buckets that you could place in the middle for the kids playing. It's very sturdy. The side panels can easily support the child's weight.
It's gonna break! Look, it's gonna break! Should I do it?